Ludwig, the brush gets in the way of the rolling ball in the basket.
Why don't we use a sliding bar to move the brush out of the way when not needed?
That's a great
I
idea.
have 3 tasks. Ludwig, can you put the spool on the servo?
Okay.
Can you finish the Italia program, Arjun?
Okay, sure.
And Ashton, you have the engineering notes, right?
Alright.
Hey Arjun, how do you need to program the servo motor?
So what you do, you type servo and then.
Meeting's over.
Okay.
Okay.
Yay!
Help out.
That's the drive pin.
Okay.
Nice. It works.
That's just the pulley.
Okay.
Oh, it doesn't work.
Don't worry, guys. Drive works. We'll program the pulley soon.
I screwed it in.
Teamwork.